If you're a business owner, one of the most dangerous things you can be right now is a business owner that's average in a world that's moving so fast. I think there's a lot of business owners out there that have no idea how to use AI effectively in business. They may know how to use LLM models and just ask it questions, but it really hasn't changed that many lives yet, in my experience. Now, me diving into AI for the last couple of years, and especially the last 6 to 8 months, and building agentic AI and AI programs that through audiblyai.com, my company, it's been wild to see how fast this can run. Now, one of the things that I noticed AI can do is it can expand your freedom. But in my case, what it did was it expanded my output 10, 20 times. And so in this fast moving world, there is a wave of AI that's happening right now. And I promise, if you're a business owner, if you don't get on front of that wave right now, you're in trouble. And this is like the last call. I really only think we have maybe 6 months and this wave is going to crash, and everyone that's left behind is going to struggle and they will never be able to catch up. But those that really check this out and really dive into AI and see how it can work well for their business, you're going to have such the advantage while the wave is still here, because things are changing and happening so fast. Not to mention, if you have a team, AI can help their output significantly. I used to think that it's going to take all these jobs, and it is possible that it will. But you know what it'll do? It'll make you and your team 10, 20, 30 times more effective. It hasn't saved me time yet because I've chosen not to save me time. You know what I've chosen to do? To significantly increase my output so I can increase the impact that I want to have in other people's lives. That's what it's done for me. I can handle so much more with just one person than I ever could. And now when I approach a company, I have 10 to 12 AI employees that I've already built, ready to go, that I can train on the new thing. And all of a sudden I'm starting with 12 employees plus me without adding a dime to payroll. It is one of the most innovative, incredible tools, and it's only going to get better, easy, more innovative. And when the robots come, and I promise you they are coming, that's when things are going to start to get crazy. That's when things are going to change, because if you are in a blue collar job or a service oriented job, guess what? They are not protected, because a robot can likely do anything that a human can do, including surgery, plumbing, fixing the HVAC, cutting your hair, cleaning your house, watching your kids, you name it. Now, whether or not you will allow that is a different story, but they'll be able to do those things as well. This is coming. And if you need to figure out what to do, go to audiblyacademy.com. That's one of my training companies. It will teach you how to do it and how to get on this wave, because it is coming so fast, and now is the time to get on. And I'm going to be screaming about this for the next 6 months. I'm not an AI guy. I'm a speaker. I'm a business owner, an entrepreneur. But even me, I'm talking about this so much because I see how much it's affected my life positively, and I see what's coming because I look at it every day. And it's maybe scary in the future, but it also might be the biggest opportunity that you and I have ever had in our entire lifetime.